for our cabin. Clapping for scissors, rock, paper, scissors.
Fire. Oh, I see. No, I don't see.
Hi, we are canoeing today. CampHawk. Sweating. Hot. It's hot and I'm sweating, but I'm here. Is it 1.5? You can see the wetness. Candy. The suitcases. My tag. Got my name here. Anyway, I'm gonna wait here for the rest of the day. Not the day, but like camp. Until I get on the bus. And
Yay! It's like 88 degrees outside.
it's so hot in here, bro. And I'm vlogging. I'm so tired. But I have my suitcase right here. Problem is, it didn't fit in the back. So I had to switch myself in here next to my suitcase. But you know what? It's fine because I find it comfortable, weirdly comfortable, and I'm really drained, like really drained. My social battery is out right now, and I feel like I'm going to have a panic attack, but it's okay because I'm trying to stay calm right now. I want to go back to my dorm, so it's whatever. I want to take a nap. Should I take a nap?
I can't. I don't. Okay. There's no one up here to ask. So I don't know.
We're here, and I'm here, and the others are. So I got my stuff to eat, and this is the lake over there. If you can see, yeah, the sun is setting, so it's very beautiful. I feel so awkward, and I don't want to do this. Wish I stayed at home. This is only the first day, so be positive.
I was not expecting it to be this pretty. I thought it was gonna be like in the.
I'm gonna go kayaking, guys.
What? Yeah, kayaking.
Like, Jules, how are you feeling? Dude, we have to.
Well, I feel like everyone's trying to attack me. It's not bad. Chicken. Mukbang.
You guys are letting me every single Do you want some of it? No? No. Bro. What? Why is your face so
I can't fix it. I don't know why. Currently lost, and we're looking for our cabin, which is nowhere to be found. So we were here carrying this thing up here. Tired of this, bro. Can't even see me, but like my hands are kind of full. So see you there.
Woo! Groundhogs?
Grandma.
Oh. It's so musty. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. I will die. It's like this. The place is just like this. Mine. What's your name?
Juliana.
Juliana. Okay.
Short for Julie.
Julie?
Yeah. Wait, what's your name?
Harley.
Harley?
Carly.
Carly.
Yeah.
Like from iCarly.
Yeah.
Okay. Clapping for scissors, rock, paper, scissors. Isn't it amazing?
They will help you out, okay? All right. So, now we're going to send you off to your small groups. And so, yeah, you're going to go off to your small groups. On your card, on your note card.
Wow, I'm so tired of this.
You feel a fraction of the pain that Margin Man does.
But yes, it's my time. It's currently 9:47, and I'm tired of this, and I want to come home. But I'll be here, and I'm doing everything. But you know, it's okay. You know, I'm in the spirit. Not really, I'm tired. But yeah, I'm just tired. I'm gonna cry. Anxiety is taking over.
Faith, great. Okay, that's a lot of great values. But who's actually going to lead us?
Okay, guys. Hey, it's currently, I don't know what time it is, but yeah. So, my nighttime experience. It is cold. So cold. So cold. I don't know what degree it is right now, but it's really cold.
I'm pretty sure it is.
But yeah. Good night. See ya in the morning.
So hey guys, nothing, but I forgot my toothbrush and toothpaste. So now I have to go to get one. Oh my gosh. So crazy, right? No, it is. It is right. I know it is. Anyway, just woke up early, 6:43, and now I have to go find the place. So yeah.
My wife, where is she? I'm looking for her. Well, I cannot find her. Oh, I see. No, I don't see. May I cross this road to see my husband or not?
So guys, it's currently breakfast time, and look what I got.
Where's your guys' favorite breakfast food?
Hashtag breakfast. It's good. Anyway. So since it has copyright in this video, I will be voiceover. So guys, I'm outside and it's kind of just finished with breakfast. I'm glad it was good because I was hungry, so hungry. But yeah, you hear the music. No, you don't. It's 8 a.m. in the morning, I think. It's 8:44 a.m. in the morning, and I'm hoping today will go well. So wake me up when it's all over.
Return to the scale. The fearsome leopard soon passed into legend.
14 years ago, Fletch was talking to the OFYE elders and told them this story.
Great, we didn't lose anyone walking from there to a basketball. I'm so proud of us.
Okay guys, so they got us dressed up
No,
like we're going for war, and yeah,
yeah,
look at my arms.
I'm also like genuinely. No
You
one's,
see
like,
the
run
art?
off, so
Yeah,
no one's remembered they had.
all of us are dressed up. Right? It's not just me. Look at like the cute smear of the cats. Guys, and here we're finished with most of the things, and now I'm waiting for my friend to go kayaking because look at the lake right there. I'll show you the boats right now. Yeah, as you can see, things are going well, not too bad, you know, just here waiting. Yeah. Well, how did I mistake that, really?
Hi, we are canoeing today. At what camp is it? I have no
CampHawk.
idea. CampHawk!
Yay! So I just finished the pool and stuff like that, and I finished dinner. So now going back to my cabin, and I look dead, but that's okay. Anyway, I'm tired. I had an experience today, so I don't know if I will talk about it after I situated that situation and stuff like that. Hi.
Did you went to dinner already?
Yeah.
Nice. See you later.
Yeah. Anyway, that was one of my cabin rooms. Now I am just back in the cabin because I just need a break from the social gatherings. Anyway, I didn't even notice this on the floor. Can't even see it. Oh, there you go. You can see it. Dark. I wonder what it is. Okay, I don't want to know what it is at the same time. But yeah. So that shall be a story time for later. Once it's figured out. Because, you know, things can happen and stuff like that. So, you know, communication is key. So best I communicate before I assume things. So yeah. So yeah, another side. I don't know what's next, so I'll take a video if I could, if I remember. So yeah. Peace. So guys, I spent an hour or more to just talk about deep stuff. And now we're heading back with these glow sticks, and we don't even know what high activity we have planned. So, yeah. See y'all. Y'all can't even see me, so I'll just show my glow sticks. Because in the dark time, in the nighttime, we rise. Anyway, later, bye. Scared the shiz out of me. Look at it, look at it. I know you don't see it properly, but it scared me. And I was like going towards there to just lay my back, you know, take a back. Because I got back problems, you know. And then I see this. What is doing there? Anyway, yeah. Okay guys, my dreams have now came true. Got a whole bunch of glow sticks. And this is always, I always wanted this. So this is great. Look at it. Isn't it beautiful? I know it is. But anyway, I feel like a child again. Goals. Anyway, yeah. Played a good game of... Not a good game, but we played tag. And it was like tagging each team. You see the colors. Yes, we had to tag the teams. I'm not explaining the whole game because I'm not here to explain it. But yes, we played a game of tag. And yeah, it was very competitive, and I don't even know what to say about that. So I just cheated, but I love the glow sticks. That's the best part of this day. Bye.
So baby, dance in the spotlight, moving through the night, feet tapping to the beat, rhythms so sweet, hearts and sing. Sun is gone, it's getting late. Clouds are making no mistake. Drop by drop, the rhythm starts. In the rain, we play our parts. I never know, no. Everybody go low.
Guys, this is me, 10, all decked out in the new seats. Anyway, all about the zombie because of the pool. Cute zombie though. Yeah. But yeah, so the end of CampHawk is today. Tomorrow, just had that breakfast and goodbyes, and we leave, which is pretty much today and CampHawk. So yeah, thanks for staying with me through this journey. See y'all on the day of goodbyes, the last day, and I feel good. I think I'm getting a sore throat because I feel it, and I'm speaking low because it's cold. It's cold. I'm getting a sore throat. This is the worst. Probably from that pool. But yeah, I'm just tired, and yeah. See ya.
Go to your cabin, grab your stuff at 10:30, come back, drop it in the Senate dining room, so right up there, and then come join us in here. We'll wrap things up, and then on your way out,
Process.
Hey guys, so it's currently the end of the day. And I currently going back home. Yeah, so I got my stuff.
I just couldn't pick it up because then the bag.
And now we're going back from CampHawk. Currently I don't feel as bad as this morning. Ate and everything. Breakfast was pancakes, sausage, and yogurt. It wasn't bad. I know, my arm's kind of killing me right now because I'm currently rolling this heavy suitcase, and I'm tired, and I'm unwell. My throat is sore, a little tiny bit, but it's getting over. Yeah.
Don't know what's wrong. You're turning heads when you walk through the door. Everyone else in the room can see it. Nobody else the way that you got me. Oh. Thank you all for that. And I love all of you guys. Thank you.
Anyway, I'm back in the bus, and it's time to go. I don't want to talk too loud because anyway, you can pop over. Bye bye. Thanks for enjoying the trip with me.